For this installation, I'm going to show you how to install the Toddler seat forward facing using the lower anchors and top tether, or the LATCH system. Before we get started, we're going to move the seat forward. We're going to open the rear panel and remove our top tether. Remove it from the ring that it is attached to, and our lower anchors as well. Once we've taken those out, we can close our back panel and sit our seat back down. Now, we're going to go ahead and open the upholstery so that we can reveal our forward-facing belt path. We have two lock-offs. We want to make sure we're using the lock-off closest to the center of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and open both parts of that. Then we're going to take our lower anchors and pass one lower anchor through our belt path, making sure we don't twist the strap at any time. Then we're going to go ahead and connect our lower anchors to the attachment bar in the vehicle. We do that for both sides. Now, before we close our lock off, we want to make sure that the yellow stripe is aligned with the center of the car seat, as noted by the dotted line on the shell of the seat. Then we'll go ahead and close one of the lock offs. And we're going to pull tight on the lower anchors to remove any excess slack out of the system. The last step is going to be to take your top tether and pass it over the seat and attach it to the designated tether anchor location on your vehicle. You might need to read your vehicle owner's manual to identify where it is on your car. The last step will be to check and make sure the car seat does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. For this car seat, we're checking at the forward-facing belt path. We're only checking at the belt path to make sure it doesn't move more than 1 inch.